There are moments in life when the body speaks to us, but we do not listen. Small changes, almost imperceptible, that we initially ignore, until one day they become so evident that they make us stop. To make us ask that question we never thought we would ask ourselves. If you're here, maybe you've also felt that sensation. Something is no longer the same. Something you took for granted now seems more uncertain, rarer, more fragile. And I want to tell you something important right away. You're not alone. Millions of men are experiencing the same change in silence, seeking answers that no one has ever truly explained. Today we will talk about a topic that many avoid, but one of the most powerful signals of male health, morning erections. A simple, natural indicator, but incredibly valuable. What you discover in this video could change the way you see yourself, your body, and your well-being. I truly invite you to stay until the end. It could be much more helpful to you than you imagine. If you want simple tips to take care of your health, you're in the right place. Subscribe to the channel and start improving yourself today. Write your name and the city you're watching from in the comments. I can't wait to greet you personally and exchange Christmas wishes. Now let's dive into the video. Many men believe that morning erections are related to erotic dreams or nocturnal desires. In reality, this is not the case. It is a completely natural phenomenon called nocturnal penile tumescence. It is an automatic process that the body activates while you sleep, especially during the REM phase, the phase of the most vivid dreams and the most active brain. At what time, the nervous system and blood vessels work together to test that everything is functioning properly. It's almost like a routine check the body performs without you noticing. When you wake up with an erection, it doesn't just mean you're sexually healthy. It means that circulation, hormones, and the nervous system are communicating correctly. Most men notice a change as the years go by. From around 35, 40 years old, morning erections may become less frequent. Is this normal? Partially yes, but not entirely. Many things change with age. Testosterone levels decrease, sleep quality worsens, stress increases, circulation becomes less efficient, and certain lifestyle habits start to weigh on you. The body reflects this precisely through these spontaneous erections. It is not a sign of weakness. It is a signal. It is the way your body tells you, I want to function at my best. Give me a hand. A gradual decrease is normal, but when the change is sudden, drastic, or accompanied by a decrease in desire, constant fatigue, anxiety, or tension, then it is important to listen to that signal. Not because it signifies something serious, but because it can be the first sign of imbalances to correct: high stress, insufficient sleep, low hormone levels, circulation problems, poor eating habits, sedentary lifestyle. Morning erections are like a warning light on the car dashboard. If it lights up, all is well. If it goes out, it's best to check what's happening. Many men believe that the solution is complicated. In reality, the body often responds much faster than you imagine. Improving sleep quality is essential because the REM phase is crucial for this process. If you sleep poorly, your intimate physiology is affected immediately. Even daily movement is crucial. You don't need to become an athlete. 20 or 30 minutes of brisk walking or light activity are enough to improve circulation and reduce stress. And then there's managing mental tension. Stress is one of the biggest enemies of sexual function. Small changes like breathing, quality pauses, and a few moments of decompression can make a big difference. Often, it doesn't take much to reactivate something that your body already knows how to do perfectly. And morning erections are not just a sign of your sexuality. They reflect your energy, vitality, cardiovascular health, and hormonal balance. They are a mirror of your internal well-being. A simple, immediate, and natural way to understand if you are treating your body well. If today you noticed a change, don't be scared. Don't blame yourself. Don't be ashamed. Seeing it is a starting point, not a problem. It's a sign that your body is asking for attention, care, listening. And the truth is, You can do a lot. You can improve. You can go back to feeling strong, energetic, alive, regardless of your age. If this video helped you understand more about yourself, subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment. Tell me what you've noticed, what you'd like to explore further, what questions you're asking yourself. Your experience could help you and many other men who, just like you, are seeking answers. I wish you my best Christmas wishes and see you in the next video.